I can't do it.
You gotta run and jump, baby. Run and jump. You don't have long enough legs to do it without. You're so tiny. You're so tiny. Come on. Run and jump. Don't. Ethan, come on, just try it. Please. Really? Yes. Run and jump. Get back and run and jump. Do you want me to be here waiting for you so you can pull you in? Okay. I want you to.
Everybody move your face. Can I come back? If Taylor goes, I'll go. Okay, on board. Everybody hear that painful pop?
Go.
1, 2. Don't count. It doesn't make it any better.
3, 2.
Stop.
We believe in you.
Okay, hop on school's back. Right now. Okay, seriously.
You're like lined up in the longest part. Right over
Go! Everyone else did it, oh my god! I didn't do it.
if everyone should go to Emma is so much smaller than you and she can
Go.
This is why I'm not on track.
Yeah, no one's on track here.
Well, at least, hey Sydney, at least if you fall, you're on the swim team.
Are you serious? Like, for real?
Oh, you did it!
Good job! Good job! I'm gonna be the last one. I'm the second littlest. You can do this. Trust your base. I got this. I'm the third littlest, so you're hyping it. Go. Everyone else does not be able to do it. Caitlin.
And we're stepping in an airplane. Oh
Go.
my gosh. We're stepping in an airplane.
You got this. You got this, Caitlin.
I believe in you.
Hey, I'll literally go back and back here. Is that spot okay to jump from?
Yep.
What I did, when I fell, I grabbed onto the ground. I mean, what's the water?
We're taking all day. Oh my god, there's a bowl.
Oh wow, it's the white one.
There's a fence. Squirrels eating grass. We could have gotten it all the way around by now instead of
I
jumping.
know.
Oh my god, a
Are
coyote!
you serious? You're not gonna just step over that 2 feet of water.
That is like 16.
I did it. I did it. Third smallest.
When Dad gives up.
Go.
Go. Is there any way that I could just... Sydney, just jump with me.
It's like 3 feet.
Sydney, just go. Sydney, move. I don't want to go. Now go. I need to take notes. Now I'll go back. 1. Don't get away. Don't push me. I'm not gonna get. That's just me.
Then he's gonna go find another guy who plays.
Oh, come on, Sydney. No. Don't do that.
Come on, hurry. Your mom's waiting.
I did it twice. Whoa, you sound mad. I did it.
Your mom's gonna be waiting outside, so. No, you're not.
I'm not mad. Just disappointed. 1,
You're disappointed, Sydney.
2. Guys, come on. You guys literally have no guts.
Into the water! What did I tell you?
No, I have to do it.
Oh